Three, two, one, start. Section 205 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973 confers a discretion on the court to exempt an accused from personal appearance till such time his appearance is considered by the court to be not necessary during the trial. Full stop. It is manifest from a plain reading of the provision that while considering an application under Section 205 of the Code, the magistrate has to bear in mind the nature of the case as also the conduct of the person summoned. Full stop. He shall examine whether any useful purpose would be served by requiring the personal attendance of the accused or whether the progress of the trial is likely to be hampered on account of his absence. Full stop para. Therefore, the satisfaction whether or not an accused deserves to be exempted from personal attendance has to be of the magistrate, who is the master of the court in so far as the progress of the trial is concerned, and none else. Full stop. The guidelines, laid down by this court in Bhaskar Industries Limited, are concurred with and while reaffirming the same, this court would add that the order of the magistrate should be such which does not result in unnecessary harassment to the accused and at the same time does not cause any prejudice to the complainant. Full stop. The court must ensure that the exception from personal appearance granted to an accused is not abused to delay the trial. Full stop. In view of the legal principles enunciated by this court, the impugned order is clearly erroneous in as much as the discretion of the magistrate under Section 205 of the Code cannot be circumscribed by laying down any general directions in that behalf. Full stop para. Similarly, while it is true that the power of superintendence conferred on the High Court under Article 227 of the Constitution of India is both administrative and judicial, but such power is to be exercised sparingly and only in appropriate cases in order to keep the subordinate courts within the bounds of their authority. Full stop. In any event, the power of superintendence cannot be exercised to influence the subordinate judiciary to pass any order or judgment in a particular manner. Full stop. As regards direction in the order of the single judge of the High Court to accept and consider the written statement made by the accused, it is again not in accord with the language of S.313 of the Code nor with the dictum laid down by this court in Basavaraj R. Patil's case. Full stop. On the plain language of S.313, it is evident that in a summons case, when the personal appearance of the accused has been dispensed with under Section 205 of the Code, our discretion is vested in the magistrate to dispense with the rigor of personal examination of the accused under Section 313 of the Code as well. Full stop. It is manifest from the judgment in Basavaraj R. Patil's case that dispensation with the personal examination of an accused in terms of the provision of S.313 within bracket H is within the trial court's discretion, comma, to be exercised keeping in view certain parameters, comma, enumerated therein and not as a matter of course, full stop para. It is true that in direction in the impugned judgment, comma, the single judge has clarified that the stipulations in the preceding paragraphs are not intended to fetter the discretion of the court to follow any different procedure, comma, if there be compelling need but the requirement of recording specific reasons by the magistrate for deviating from the directions given in the order, comma, as stipulated in the same paragraph is by itself tantamount to putting fetters on the jurisdiction of the magistrate. Full stop. This is not warranted in law, full stop para. Thus, comma, in the instant case, comma, the High Court exceeded its jurisdiction under Section 482 of the Code and Article 227 of the Constitution by laying down the general directions, comma, which are inconsistent with the clear language of Sections 205 and 313 of the Code, full stop. In light of the guidelines laid down by this Code, comma, further directions on the same issue by the High Court were wholly uncalled for, full stop. The impugned order containing general directions to the lower courts is set aside, full stop. However, comma, if the accused moves the trial court with an application under Section 205 of the Code for exemption from personal attendance within the time stated, comma, the exemption granted to her by the High Court shall continue to be in force till her application is disposed of by the trial court, full stop para. Challenge in this appeal, comma, by special leave, comma, is to the order dated 4th September, comma, 2008 passed by a learned single judge of the High Court of Kerala in 2007. Stop.